So what is a lab experiment? Lab experiment is an experiment which is conducted in an artificial setting. So these are the keywords that you need to remember when we say lab experiment. So it is an artificial setting. What does that mean? That means when the experimenter wants to do a research, they make a setting that is artificial in nature. It is not natural to any participant. For example, I'll just give an example here. Maybe I want to see that how kids behave in a certain way. So I call all the kids, let's say 20 kids at my home probably, and in my home I have set up a room which is full of toys. A few swings are there, or maybe sand pit, and all these things are there. So I want to do a research where I see that how kids share with each other, what age kids speak to each other, which gender is more aggressive, what is their behavior like. So these are a kind of observations as a researcher I want to make when I'm seeing these kids. So what do I do when I call these participants, these children, to my house, and I take them to this room where I have set up everything. This is an artificial setting. This is not natural to them. This is something that I have artificially made up. So this is called a lab experiment. Now here in lab experiment, one of the most important features is that the extraneous variables are very well controlled by the experimenter. I can take care of the noise pollution, I can take care of the lighting, I can take care of which who all participants can be part of my study. I can take care of what kind of toys I want to keep in my setting, or what kind of swings, or how the setup should look like. So most of the things are controlled by the researcher. So this is what lab experiment is.